Ladies and gentlemen, this video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the adware type application called CycleGraph. So this CycleGraph is the adware from the adload family of infections. CycleGraph adware, once installed, starts to display the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. CycleGraph adware only attacks Mac computers. It also may periodically cause a lot of unwanted browser redirections to random websites. So if you have found this CycleGraph to be the part of your computer, you need to get rid of it immediately. On your Mac computer, you need to check your Finder, open your Finder, check your applications. Once you locate this CycleGraph among the programs, you need to right-click on it and choose the option to move it to the trash. Of course, if you see anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. Also, I recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.